I'm fine.
How are you?
I missed you. You've been working so much. And I think you're fucking awesome, so I made your favorite.
Did you buy organic?
Yeah, I went to the organic grocery store.
It's twice the price.
Yeah, but it's better.
It tastes the same but costs twice as much. It's only better if you own the store that sells it. Do you own the store?
No, I don't.
Neither do I, so we don't see the benefit. We sure as hell don't taste it, but my wallet feels it.
But my wallet feels it.
Stop that.
Stop that.
Liz.
Liz. Did you pick up my watch today?
Yes, I did. Is that the watch we picked out?
It's the watch I picked out. You were waiting on a bench.
It was this expensive.
Well, I don't think it got any more expensive.
Could we return it? Maybe choose something else?
Maybe. I mean, it's engraved Alan S. You got a file?
What's up? Look at that expense report.
Hey man, why's the company paying for your tampons?
It's not my expense report, idiot. It's my girlfriend's. That's how much she costs me a month.
Ooh. Well, you getting laid?
Yes.
Money well spent.
Think so? You go to escorts, right?
No. Well, yes.
What's the most you pay?
What side of town are we talking here?
Give me an average.
Say $100 an hour.
I'm perfectly happy getting laid 4 times a week. Even if I splurge a few extra times a month, I wouldn't be spending half as much.
And you don't have to talk to hookers.
Exactly.
I don't know, man. What are you gonna do about this?
I need to trim the fat.
I thought you were working late.
I am.
In the dark?
Have a seat, honey.
What is all this?
More and more companies are sending jobs overseas, where they can pay people less and get them to work more. They decrease their overhead and increase their profit margin. The gap between how much I earn and how much you spend is too small. I'm not keeping enough money, so I need to scale down. Now, I've examined my main source of financial drain, and sweetheart, it's you.
What are you, outsourcing me? What about everything I do around here? I keep the house. I do all of your laundry. I cook for you.
All of your duties will be done by someone who doesn't need a brand name mop to clean the floor. Someone that can settle for glass cleaner instead of Windex.
Sweetie, is this about the organic broccoli?
It's about a lot of things. Some you, some the company.
What company are you talking about? This is a relationship here.
Tomato, tomato. I do have these arguments. But relationships don't come with severance packages, do they? I invite you to continue to live here for the next 30 days. In that time, you will do the same work in exchange for enjoying the exact same lifestyle. When the 30 days are up, you will leave here with your watch.
What if I tell you to go fuck yourself?
And you leave now with nothing.
But I love you.
Please, let's maintain our dignity, shall we?
30 days?
You will notice I maintain the right to offer a 30-day extension. These things never go smoothly. Visas, passports, it's all really complicated. Even if there was an overlap, well, I'd rather that than a break in productivity.
What are you talking about, visas and passports?
Have a seat. Liz, look who it is.
Who the hell is this?
This is your replacement. Irby here eats one meal a day, hardly wears shoes and makes her own clothes. She's incredibly low maintenance, like a self-cleaning oven.
She's a mail-order bride.
What? Mail order? She's from right here in the good old US of A.
Oh, please.
Aren't you, Irby?
That's right. From great state of Texas, where beer is cold and pistol is hot.
This is insane.
You're breaking your contract? You signed an agreement. I was hoping you'd show Irby here how to use a waffle maker.
Oh, bite me, Steve.
This is completely unprofessional. You have 3 days left. You'll hear from my lawyer.
That is right, my sister. You best run out like polecat with ass on fire.
Irby, get in the house.
What is house?